Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add checkbox to your table on Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have prepared my Google Sheets table, and for example, we're going to practice how we can add checkbox to this check column. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the column like this. You can tap and hold and drag on the column, and after the column has been selected, you can tap on this three dots button, and there will be several options for you, and you're going to tap on the data validation. On this data validation, you have to select the checkbox on the criteria. You can tap on the criteria right here, then select checkboxes. We want to add checkbox to our table. Then we're going to save the rule. Tap on the save button. And now as you can see that the checkboxes have been added to our table. And I'm going to tap on the checkbox like this. And alright guys, that's how we can add checkbox to our table on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.